that's cool. There is a little... Hey, doggy. Wait, no way I can stow the dog. Oh. Oh my... Oh my god. Wait. Wait. Wait, where's my backpack? Oh, what the fuck? Soul jump mode, flashlight, inventory wheel cue. Oh my god. The dog is just in. Wee, we're gonna go. Ready. Help. Help, I can't. I can't. What the fuck is a pontoon? Is that it, really? I don't think this was a pontoon. I think this is a knot. I could be sorely mistaken, though. Oh my god, I just threw the dog. The dog just got thrown for the cutscene. Oh. Let me in. Oh my god, that's terrifying. Oh my god, that's terrifying. Imagine being these people and seeing this on your window. I'm gonna get your toes. I don't have any of my own, so I'm gonna get yours. I have a yep, can head. That's literally the ocean. Yeah, pollution. Yeah. No way I can poop. I just threw the dog in the ocean. I just threw the dog in the ocean. Ain't no fucking